Hi, today we're going to take in a UNBAGiNG unboxing review look at this little package right here. Now I bought this off a website called WiSH. They are kind of like what I want to call the Amazon slash eBay of websites. And what I mean by the Amazon slash eBay of websites, I mean they have the stuff that you pretty much want, like Amazon, but it's kind of like eBay where like 1 minute it might be like on the first page, and then when you refresh the page, it might go all the way down to like the 7th page or the 20th page, and you're like, what? But I mean, they are more like eBay, I would say, because the prices are very dirt cheap and reasonable on most of their things, and it's super duper fast, like Amazon. I mean, a lot of times I order stuff on Amazon, and it's like, oh, hey, dude, it'll take like about a month and a half or 2 months, and it's like, oh, hey, you got it less than 2 days from ordering. I'm like, wow. So that's what I mean, like stuff from Wish. And I didn't know if Wish was, a legitimate website or illegitimate website. Because you know, like how eBay is very, very, very illegitimate on a website. But, there's things that you could bid on and there's things that you could buy outright from eBay. You buy stuff outright from eBay and they just flip you off. They send you the wrong item or scratch or damage, or they just straight up take your money and don't even send you the thing at all. I wish that the Better Business Bureau would get involved and shut down eBay. eBay is an online retail site that needs to get shut down permanently because they're just plain evil. And another site that I know some of you might like, but for me, it wasn't that great of a site, was Hobby Link Japan. Hobby Link Japan just went for me because I opened, the account, right? I had money on my card. I made a purchase. So I purchased the item. I was like, okay, it's like, let's say the item was $20, and let's say the shipping charge is another 20. That's $40 right there, right? And, then they sent it to my so-called private warehouse, which I'm like, I don't own a warehouse. I don't even work at a warehouse. Why would I own a private warehouse? I mean, like, what? For real, seriously. But anyway, and then when you go to claim it from your so-called private warehouse, then you gotta pay it again. So it's like buying the product twice. So if I said the product was $20 plus another 20 for shipping, that's $40 right there. Then when you go to claim the product, you gotta pay another 20 for the product and another 20 for shipping. That's another 40 right there. That's $80 you're out of for a product that should be only around $40. Then if they ever do send it to you, it takes about 6 months for the product to be sent. And it's like, I might as well just wait the 6 or 7 months until like Amazon or, my local GameStop has the product. Which then, I could just pick it up right then and there. Or wait for it to just hit the store shelves. Because what's the point of saying, oh, I'll pre-order it and pay the full price, get the pre-order, discount price right now, and then in 6 to 7 months they'll ship it out. That is after you purchase twice, but really they only send you one. So that would be like if I bought 2 of these bags, but I paid for 2 bags, but they only sent me one. That's why I don't like Hobby Link Japan. Unless all you Hobby Link Japanners out there would please do a favor for us newbies out there and make a video that says, okay, here you go, you made an account, now here's how you do something. Let's, I don't know, order SSS Squidman or Super Samurai Sable Squad here in America. Put it in a cart, okay? Here's the price, pay it. Now, here's how we go to our private warehouse. Here's how we claim it. We pay it again. And then, wait 6 to 7 months for it to finally ship out. Because, it's coming from overseas. Yeah. eBay and Hobby Link Japan, I don't care for them. Amazon I love, and Wish is now starting to be my new Amazon. Although it would never ever take the place of Amazon, but it's a good close second winner for Amazon. Okay? So let's go ahead here and open it up and see what I had to actually order from Wish. Okay, nothing else is in the little bag. Not even a little piece of paper. I mean, at least with Amazon, they give you a little piece of paper that says, "Hey, thank you for shopping with us. Here's what you ordered." But with this, no, it comes in this little cardboard case. Okay. And with cardboard box. So I ordered it September 8th, and it shipped September 16th. So I have to skip in this. It's a very fast shipment thing. But, you know, it depends on who you buy it from and where the shipment from. I know I bought some other stuff, a lot of vape stuff. Well, for like a billable vape device. So I got some coils and some cotton on the way, and new RTA coming in. But that's not going to be until at least next month that it's going to be coming in. Because it said it was like from Japan or China. So I know that's going to take a little while because it's overseas. So this cost me $17.40 plus $6 for shipping. So altogether, my grand total was $23.04. Yeah, I'll put a link to this. So, what is it? Let's open it up. I do give them this. It does come in a pretty nice little case for a belt loop. Now the knife looks a little bit bigger and heavier than what I was thinking. I think this is an OFT one. So I'm going to push this little button here on this side. And there is a little trigger right there. So I don't know. And then you see this line. So let me push this button and we'll see what happens. Nothing. So take this little slide, push the slide down. Now push the button. Oh my god, did you see that? The blade just flipped right on out. This is kind of like a OFT, I think it's called an OTF. They call it something like that. Pretty much it means something like a spring assist. And if you don't know what spring assist is, it's pretty much the legal version to a switchblade. So this one here is a legal version of a switchblade according to the OFT, or you know, spring assist as they're calling it. And what's the difference between a switchblade and a stiletto? Let me go and grab my stiletto and you'll see the difference. So give me a second here. This video might be a two-parter. Okay, so here is a stiletto. So let me kind of move this just a bit. So as you notice, now you might be saying, dude, why did you open it with your hand? How can you then push the little button? Because a stiletto doesn't have a button. Now the blade profile is a little bit different, as you notice in the points and the tips of how the blades are. But pretty much they both have kind of like the switchblade lit and design for the handles, except this one actually has the little button and a safety locking mechanism. Now a true switchblade will actually have the switch up here, which you pull it back and then it'll open up. But yeah. So the stiletto has a little thumb assist right there. Still has a lot on the top. The alignment is on the back. So this is a stiletto. And this one's more of a legal switchblade. Now I don't know why there's a little hole drilled in here. And to be honest, there is a little hole in there. But from what I'm guessing, that hole must mean like to engage the safety. Although it doesn't really do much because that just stops the button from being pushed in. So not really sure what the hole is for there. Now how do you unlock this to put it back? Oh, okay, so right here on this front side, you just push that down, and then you could do it. Not both of them, but just on the front side where the button is. That side. Then you could just close it back up. You could feel some touch on the spring here. Push it and lock it. While this one, grab it from the back there, which will release it up here, and then you could just. So the difference is this one you have to manually open it up for selecto, while the switchblade, I just engage the safety, pull the lower back, disengage the safety, push the button. Yeah. I will tell you this, the handle feels a little bit better with this one, and the weight feels better with this one than this one. But I mean, for a spring assist or a OTF type of a legal switchblade, for about $23.04, it's not that bad. Of course, they come in different colors. I would love it if they came in the tortoiseshell version, like how this handles in the tortoiseshell. But not bad, not bad. It feels pretty good in the hands, like where my hand could grip around it, and it feels comfortable. Like that's not going to get in the way or really annoying. It's not going to disengage if I put my finger up there that much. Feels kind of solid, I would say. Now, how sharp is this? I'm already feeling it, and it feels pretty sharp. Like, I don't even need to grab a knife sharpener. So, straight out of the package, it is sharp.